Welcome to this SEO Lab tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your Shopify store speed using the speed booster inside SEO Lab. We'll cover site speed up, image optimization, theme files, optimization. Let's get started. From your Shopify admin, go to SEO Lab app. Then, from the left menu, click Speed Booster. At the top, you'll find 3 tabs: Site Speed Up, Image Optimization, Theme Files Optimization. We'll start with one Site Speed Up. Inside Site Speed Up, there are 2 features. Instant Page, turn this toggle on. Instant Page preloads pages when users hover over a link, so when they click, the page is already loading, less waiting. Smoother browsing experience. Lazy Loading, turn this toggle on. Lazy loading loads images only when users scroll down to them. This helps reduce initial page load size, make pages open faster, improve core web vitals and SEO. Together, these 2 tools reduce waiting time, improve user experience, support SEO best practices. Now click the Image Optimization tab. At the top, you'll see Images Optimized, Average Saved %, Total Saved Space Image Quota. By using this feature, images became lighter quality, stayed the same, your site loads faster. Products, turn the Products toggle on. When you turn it on, SEO Lab automatically starts scanning all product images. Optimization begins immediately. A progress bar appears at the bottom of the screen. The progress bar shows how many product were detected, how many are being optimized and reduce space. This lets you visually see the work happening in real time. Once finished, all optimized product images will be listed in Optimization History. Collections, turn the Collections toggle on. Again, SEO Lab detects collection images, starts optimizing automatically. This ensures faster collection pages, lighter image files, better browsing experience. Blogs, turn the Blogs toggle on. SEO Lab will automatically optimize blog images. This helps blog articles load faster, improves readability supports, SEO performance to optimize images manually. On the right, click Upload Images to optimize. You can upload any image. SEO Lab will optimize them instantly. Scroll down to Optimization History. Here you can switch between Products, Collections, Blogs, Others. For each image, you will see Status, File Type, Size, Reduction Ratio, and Action buttons. View and restore by clicking View. You'll see a comparison slider. Left side, before optimization. Right side, after optimization. This allows you to clearly see same quality, smaller image size, faster loading at top. You'll also see a download button if you want. Optimize image to download. If you ever want your original image back, click Restore. Or to undo everything, click Restore All Images. So you always stay fully in control. Nothing is permanent unless you want it. Theme Files Optimization. Now open the Theme Files Optimization tab. Turn the toggle on. SEO Lab will compress files and apply other performance-related enhancements to ensure your theme runs smoothly and efficiently. Optimized theme files will also show in the history list. A faster store means better user experience, higher conversions, stronger SEO results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need help, our support team is always here. Thanks for watching.